Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 1st, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Kiwi dollar has been drifting down pretty much ever since last Thursday. For me, the most recent structure is right here. Anything, even if it does go up, anything we see to the upside could and very likely is just a pullback within a downtrend. So if it does start a move up, I would throw my Fibonacci retracement on there and I would observe it to see if it made a three-way pullback like this, one, two, three waves up, or like this, one, two, three waves up. On the other hand, if it goes up and takes out this high, that is a significant structure break, and that would turn me back into a bull, and I would start looking for logs at the end of pullbacks after the break of structure to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpeculator.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.